Hello guys, so in this video we are going to talk about transformer. What is the transformer and origin of the transformer? Okay, so we are going to talk about everything like the architecture of the transformer and what is the encoder decoder. Okay, so first of all we need to know transformer. Okay, so before we talk about ChatGPT, GPT or generative AI, we first need to understand one core architecture behind all of them. Okay, that architecture is called the transformer. Okay, so a, a transformer is a machine learning model designed to work with text. It is mainly used for tasks like translation, summarization, and questioning answering. Okay, and the transformer was introduced in 2017 in research paper that is called a attention is all you need by Vashwani and his team. Okay, the paper changed the direction of natural language processing completely. Okay, so before why transformer was needed, why we need a transformer. Okay, by transformer was needed. So before transformer model like RNN LSTM were used, these older model read text one word at a time. Okay, RNN and LSTM, these are the older model, and these model read text one word at a time. Okay, so I'm going to show you I love programming in Python. Okay, so if this sentence is long, the model slowly forget the beginning while reading the end. Okay, like I'm going to pass I love programming in Python. Okay, then it will read first word, that is I, and after this it will read love, then programming, then I, sorry, then in, and then Python. So it read one word at a once. Okay, or if the sentence is too long, the model slowly forget the beginning while reading the end. Okay, model forget what is in the beginning. Okay, while it will read the end. The key idea of the transformer is attention. Okay, so core idea of the transformer is attention. Instead of reading word one by one, the transformer read all word at the same time, or you can say the transformer looks at all words at the same time. It does not like RNN or LSTM, they read but one by one. Okay, but with the help of transformer we can read all word at the same time. Okay, it decide which word are important and how strongly they are related to each other. This make the model faster, more accurate, and easier to scale. Okay, so like I'm going to say I love programming in Python. Okay, so it is like I'm going to pass as I import I love programming in Python. Okay, so when transformer sees this sentence I love programming in Python, okay, it does not read it sequentially. Okay, I love programming in Python. Okay, it is the sentence. When transformer sees this sentence, I love programming in Python, it does not read sequentially by transformer. Okay, so it look at the entire sentence at once. Transformer look at the entire sentence at the once using attention. The model learned that programming and Python are strongly connected. Using attention, model learned that programming and Python are strongly connected. Okay, so during translation, Python remain Python and love become M. Aime. It's mean by in French, love. Okay, so transformer is made of two main part. Okay, so if you are going to pass input in encoder, okay, then it will go to the decoder. So the encoder's job is to understand the input text. Okay, so here encoder's job is to understand the input text. Okay, input text understand by the encoder. And decoder's job is to generate the output text. Okay, so these are the two main part of the transformer, encoder and decoder. Encoder job to understand the input text and decoder job is to generate the output text. Okay, so both encoder and decoder are not single block. Okay, both encoder and decoder are not a single blocks. They are a stack of multiple identical layer. Okay, so they have multiple layers. In the original transformer, we have 6 encoder layer and 6 decoder layer. Okay, but the important idea is this: a same layer is repeated many times. This repetition help the model learn deeper patterns. Okay, so why transformer are special? Transformer are special because they solve major problem of older models. Okay, they process text in parallel. Okay, they handle long range relationship. They scale very well. Okay, that's why model like GPT and BERT exist. Okay, so I already said that the key transformer is attention based model. Okay, that look everything at once. Means like if you are going to pass sentence, then it will look everything at once, or it can read everything at once. Okay, so here you can see this is the input and it will go here in transformer in this box, and then it will give you output here. Okay, I'm going to pass here input is how are you. Okay, I'm going to pass this input here in transformer, then it will translate this how are you in the cosmo states. Okay, this is the Spanish word of how are you. Okay, so if you are going to use transformer for translation, then it will work like this. Okay, you are going to pass here in input what how are you. Okay, then we need to pass here in transformer, then it will give you output. Okay, cosmo state. Okay, so here we can understand encoder and decoder. So we can say transformer made of two part, that is encoder and decoder. Transformer made by two part, that is encoder and decoder. Encoder, this one, this box is used to understand the input. Okay, encoder job is to understand the input, what you have in a input text. Okay, and decoder job is to understand, I mean generate the output. What is the output. Okay, so decoder job is to generate the output text. Okay, so both encoder and decoder are not a single layer, or you can say single block. Okay, they are the stack of multiple layers. Encoder also have multiple layers, decoder also have multiple layers. Okay, so here you are going to pass how are you. Okay, that is input, pass here in a encoder. Okay, so encoder will understand the input text. Okay, what you have in a input, that is how are you. Okay, and decoder, after this encoder pass its output inside the decoder here. So output of encoder will become input to the decorator. Okay, so decorator generate the output text here, cosmo states. Okay, okay, how are you will translate in Spanish, that is cosmo states. Cosmo states also how are you in Spanish. Okay, so that is our output, and this is the block, whole block, this orange, this line, it's called the transformer. And transformer is a combination of encoder and decoder. This one encoder and this is decorator. Combine, if you are going to combine both of them, then it will become transformer. So here you can see, I already said that we have encoders and decoders, okay, but we have in original architecture it consists 6 encoder or 6 decorator, okay, but we can replicate as many as we want. Okay, so let's assume n layers in encoder and n layers in decorators. Okay, so all encoder present the same structure, these encoder have same structure, and the input get each of them. Okay, how are you get from encoder 1, encoder 2, encoder 3, encoder n. Okay, so I'm saying input get into each of them and it's passed to the next one. Okay, all all decorator present with same structure as well. These decorator also have same structure and get the input from the last. Here you can see last encoder and the previous decorator. Okay, so here you can see encoder n and its output will go here as an input in a decorator. Decorator 1, decorator 2, decorator 3 and up to decorator on. So here you can see I said that it will get input from the last encoder and the previous decorator. Okay, so these are the like I already have decorator 1. Okay, so if I am going to pass decorator 2, so it will go decorator 1's output will go here in decorator 2 and encoders out encoder I mean last encoder output also go here as an input in a decorator 2. Okay, similar we can pass in decorator 3 and decorator 4. Okay, so I mean output of n decorator, my last decorator, uh, we will pass here in every decorator as an input. Okay, and also pass the previous decorators out here. Okay, like if you are going to pass how are you as an input, it will go here encoder 1, encoder 2, encoder 3, encoder n. Okay, then we got here output in encoders. Okay, so this output will become input of decorators. Decorator 1, so we need to pass this in decorator 1, decorator 2, decorator 3 and decorator n. Okay, and here you can see we also pass previous output on the decorator. Okay, I hope you got it. And then we got our output como states. Okay, this is the Spanish word of how are you. I mean it's Spanish word como states. Okay, this is the translation of how are you. Why is it special? I mean, why transformer is special? Okay, so we use transformer because they solve the problem faced by the older model like RNN and LSTM. Okay, so first point, that is parallelization. Okay, so before in older model we face the problem, RNN or LSTM don't use parallelization. Okay, so transformer process all word in a sentence at the same time, making them much faster to train. Okay, and second point, long range dependency. Transformer can capture the relationship between words even they are far apart in a sentence. This is difficult for RNN and LSTMs. Okay, and third point, attention mechanism. They use an attention mechanism that allow each word in a sentence to focus on other important words, improving understanding and context. Okay, and fourth point is scalability. Transformer can be easily scaled, making them suitable for large model like GPT, BERT, and many more.